Do I know anything about this? Do I want the gain? Yes, I clearly want the gain. Hey guys, if you're watching this video, chances are you're in the same place as me, trying to figure out what this investing it's all about. And today I'm going to share 3 things about a mistake that I made in my 20s. So those 3 things that are what I invested in, why I bought it, and what I learned from it. So let's dive in. So a few years ago, I was looking at a few investment options, and fintech was one of them, financial technology. And yeah, so that's what I invested in. The amount wasn't much, but that's not the point. So yeah, that's what I bought, and I'm kind of regret it. So if you want to know more about it, stay tuned till the end, because I will explain what I learned from it and how I'm going to mitigate it going forward. And you might be wondering why I bought that type of investment. Well, it'll be the exact same reason why you're watching this video, because you want to get ahead in life. And I was the same. I want to get ahead in life and trying to make a few bucks on shares. And so I was looking at shares and what I can invest in. I was looking at past performances. It looked pretty good. And that's one of the mistakes that I made. Past performance doesn't always guarantee future performance. And so yeah, I just went ahead and bought it. I was investing consistently over a period of time, but the shares went down by 42%. I think it's about 50% now. So yeah, here's what I learned from it. You need to stick to what you know, investing in something that you know very well, rather than trying to get your hands on anything that will make you money. And sometimes it can be risky investments. I'll show you an example. This is not exactly what I invested in, but just to give you an idea. So we've got ETF in here, highest returns. Let's take a look at that. Crazy, 500% return. Let's have a look. Yep, cool. Let's have a look at the full chart. So, for starters, look how volatile this investment is. Look. Let's zoom in a little bit. So, if you invest in here, that's around $50, and then it went up only by a couple of months, going all the way up to 268. That's nearly 5 times within just 2 months. And it comes back down over there. Do I know anything about this? Do I want the gain? Yes, I clearly want the gain from here to there. It's 500%. Who doesn't want that? Do I know about this investment? Most likely not. So should I invest in it? No, I should not. That's just an extreme example of I don't know enough about this investment, therefore I should not invest in it. Even though the potential return is so much higher. But if I don't know enough about this investment, I should not touch it and stick to what I know. My point is, if you want to invest in something, make sure that you research that type of investment very well before you put your money in. If you don't mind losing that money, sure, if it's your pocket money that you want to play around, yeah, sure, why not? But if it's your long-term investment, make sure that you really know what the investment is about and comfortable with how that might turn out. It could be good, it could be bad, but do your research and don't just buy because, look, it's great, I could make that much money. Anyway, that's one of the mistakes that I made in my 20s. Going forward, I'm going to do a bit more research. I'm going to start posting my research and what I do, and it's all just learning together. If you want to join this journey, hit the like and subscribe button, and have a great day. I'll see you next video.